Welcome to Touring Globe, Ultimate South Carolina Travel Guide. Best places to visit and travel tips. South Carolina, also known as the Palmetto State, is a diverse and exciting travel destination with something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, beachgoer, or foodie, South Carolina's charming cities, pristine beaches, and scenic mountains provide endless opportunities for exploration. From the cobblestone streets of Charleston to the rolling hills of the Upstate, this guide will cover the best places to visit, must-see attractions, outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, travel tips, and the best times to visit. Best time to visit South Carolina. South Carolina offers mild winters and warm summers, making it a year-round destination. However, the best time to visit depends on your preferences and activities. Spring, March to May, one of the best seasons to visit, thanks to pleasant weather, blooming azaleas, and outdoor festivals. The Charleston Historic Homes and Gardens Tour and Hilton Head Island Wine and Food Festival take place during this time. Summer, June, August, the most popular time for beach vacations, with warm temperatures and lively coastal towns. Myrtle Beach, Hilton Head, and Folly Beach are hot spots. However, it can be hot and humid, so plan for beach and water activities. Fall, September to November, perfect for hiking, fall foliage, and historic tours. The South Carolina State Fair, Columbia, and Fall for Greenville Festival are must-visit events. Winter, December to February, South Carolina has mild winters, making it a great escape from colder states. Charleston's holiday lights, Greenville's winter festivals, and cozy mountain cabins make for great seasonal getaways. Top places to visit in South Carolina. 1. Charleston, the historic heart of the South. Charleston is one of America's most charming and historic cities, known for its antebellum architecture, cobblestone streets, and southern hospitality. This port city blends history, food, and culture into a one-of-a-kind experience. Must-see attractions. Historic downtown Charleston. Walk through Rainbow Row, King Street, and the Battery to admire colorful 18th-century homes and waterfront views. Fort Sumter National Monument, the site where the Civil War began. Take a ferry to explore the fort and museum. Boone Hall Plantation and Gardens, a beautiful plantation with live oak trees and historical exhibits about the region's past. Waterfront Park, home to the famous Pineapple Fountain, perfect for relaxing by the harbor. Magnolia Plantation and Gardens, one of America's oldest plantations, featuring breathtaking gardens and wildlife. Things to do in Charleston. Take a carriage tour through the historic district. Visit the Charleston City Market for local crafts and Gullah sweetgrass baskets. Enjoy a boat tour to see dolphins and scenic coastal views. Indulge in low-country cuisine, including shrimp and grits, she crab soup, and hush puppies. Explore Sullivan's Island and Folly Beach for a beach day near Charleston. 2. Myrtle Beach, the ultimate family vacation spot. Myrtle Beach is South Carolina's top beach destination, attracting millions of visitors each year with its 60 miles of coastline, amusement parks, and golf courses. Must-see attractions. Myrtle Beach Boardwalk and Promenade, lined with shops, arcades, and restaurants, plus the iconic Skywheel. Broadway at the beach, a massive entertainment complex with shops, attractions, and nightlife. Brook Green Gardens, a beautiful botanical garden and sculpture park with walking trails. Ripley's Aquarium, a family-friendly attraction featuring sharks, stingrays, and interactive exhibits. Myrtle Beach State Park, a quieter stretch of beach with picnic areas and nature trails. Things to do in Myrtle Beach. Play at one of 80-plus championship golf courses. Enjoy water parks, mini golf, and live entertainment at the Carolina Opry. Go on a deep-sea fishing trip or a dolphin-watching cruise. Try fresh seafood at Murrells Inlet, the seafood capital of South Carolina. 3. Hilton Head Island, a relaxing coastal retreat. Hilton Head is a quieter, more upscale beach destination known for its world-class golf courses, luxury resorts, and pristine beaches. Must-see attractions. Coligny Beach Park, one of the best public beaches with clean facilities and rental shops. Harbor Town Lighthouse, a famous lighthouse in the Sea Pines Resort with incredible views. Pinckney Island National Wildlife Refuge, a great spot for birdwatching, hiking, and photography. Coastal Discovery Museum. Learn about Hilton Head's natural history and Gullah culture. Things to do in Hilton Head. Rent bikes and explore over 60 miles of scenic trails. Take a sunset dolphin cruise. Enjoy a luxury spa experience at one of Hilton Head's top resorts. Play golf at Harbor Town Golf Links, home of the RBC Heritage PGA Tournament. 4. Greenville, a hidden gem in the Upstate. Greenville is one of the fastest growing cities in the South, offering a mix of outdoor adventure, arts, and food. Must-see attractions. Falls Park on the Reedy, a stunning downtown park with the iconic Liberty Bridge. Swamp Rabbit Trail, a 22-mile biking and walking trail connecting Greenville to Travelers Rest. Paris Mountain State Park, a great spot for hiking, kayaking, and camping. Greenville Zoo, a family-friendly attraction featuring exotic animals. Things to do in Greenville. Explore Main Street's boutiques, restaurants, and breweries. Visit during fall for Greenville, one of the largest food festivals in the South. Take a scenic drive to Caesars Head State Park for breathtaking views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. 5. Columbia, the capital city. Columbia is South Carolina's vibrant capital, home to rich history, cultural attractions, and outdoor adventures. Must-see attractions. South Carolina State House, a historic landmark with beautiful gardens. Riverbanks Zoo and Garden, a top-rated zoo with over 2,000 animals. Congaree National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve with unique swampland hiking trails. South Carolina State Museum, featuring exhibits on history, art, and science. Things to do in Columbia. Kayak along the Congaree River. Explore Five Points and the Vista, two lively districts full of dining and nightlife. Visit during the South Carolina State Fair, October. Final thoughts. South Carolina is a must-visit destination, offering history, beaches, mountains, and world-class cuisine. Whether you're strolling through Charleston's historic streets, golfing in Hilton Head, or hiking in the Upstate, you'll find something unforgettable. Which part of South Carolina are you most excited to explore? Let me know if you need hotel recommendations or travel itineraries. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe. Next video.